Hello, welcome to Learning Bytes English language class. In this video, we will practice short English questions. Now, let's start the lesson. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, can you tell me where the nearest bank is?
Sure, it's 2 blocks down this street, on your left.
How do I get to the train station?
Go straight and take the second right. You'll see the station on your left.
Is it far from here?
No, it's only about a 10-minute walk.
Talking about the weather.
How is the weather today?
Sunny and warm. A perfect day to go outside.
Do you think it will rain later?
Yes, it might rain in the evening.
Is it always this cold in winter?
Yes, winter is usually cold here.
Making plans.
Are you free this Saturday?
Yes, I am. Why?
Do you want to go to the movies?
Sure. What time should we meet?
How about 3 p.m. at the mall?
That sounds good. See you then.
Talking about family.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 1 brother and 2 sisters.
Are you close to your family?
Yes, we see each other every weekend.
Do your parents live nearby?
No, they live in another city, about an hour away.
At the library.
Hi, can I help you find a book?
Yes, I'm looking for a book on cooking.
Do you have a library card?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
How long can I borrow this book?
You can borrow it for 2 weeks.
At a hotel.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, it's under the name Johnson.
How many nights will you be staying?
I'll be staying for 3 nights.
Would you like a room with a view?
Yes, that would be great, thank you.
Thank you for watching. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become. Try watching this lesson a few times each week and repeat the conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll become more confident in speaking English. If you found this lesson helpful, please like and subscribe.